Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial we will be learning about table, how you can insert a table into your Excel workbook. So to insert a table, this insert option is used where you can find tables here and you can click on to this table and it will open up one warning, which is the data of your table is in following range C2. So to create a table, you need to first enter data into your workbook. So I am entering various type of data because Excel itself one kind of table. Here are the rows and here are the columns. So write table data into these cells. I want to first give header of this table to sales forecast. I am entering data of sales forecast into this table. So I am writing sales forecast here. Sales forecast into this B3 cell. You can refer any cell by its name. We give name to cells by column and row number. You can expand your cell by this expand arrow. I want to merge many cells because I have bigger table. To merge cell, you can go to this merge and center option of alignment and it will merge your all the selected cell into one. Now I want to increase the size and here it is. Now let me define columns of my table, which is month, quarter, year, channel and forecast. Adjust size of table as per your need. And I am entering one simple row. Month is my January, quarter is first quarter, year is 2007, channel is retailer and forecast was 4,500. Now in February, quarter 2, quarter 1, year to 2008 and it was web cell and forecast was 8,000. So this way you can enter data into your table. So my table is now created. If you want to highlight your table data, now you can go into insert menu and create exact table. So create exact table, just select your table content and go to insert menu and click on to this table option and data of your table is in following range. My table data is in B5 to F7 range and my table has headers. Click on to this checkbox and click on to this OK button. So now my table has a particular format. It has filter added and you can sort from this filter and these drop down buttons. So this way you can create table into Microsoft Excel and you can enter details about your forecast, your analysis into this table. So this is about creating table in Microsoft Excel 2016 online version. Thank you very much.